building for the entire, for being a great person for this wonderful job. You are welcome, madam.
Thank you very much. I want to greet everybody from GARAWOL here present. All the children of the school, all the mothers and the fathers, the SMC, the Mothers Club, the Alikalo and the village elders, for this wonderful program you organized here today. What a celebration it is. I will not say much today because I think a lot has already been said. I'm just wanting to say thank you for the beautiful reception. And I want to say, I also want to say how lucky we are that His Excellency the President came to cut the ribbon in GARAWOL, because we were not expecting that when we started organizing the program. We are opening 24 schools, but he only selected a few, and GARAWOL is among that. So that shows his love for GARAWOL and for the education of GARAWOL. And I think all of us can be proud of that. Good. For the ex-pupils, I think this school goes up to grade 9, isn't it? So the ex-pupils went to other schools, maybe to Fatoto or to Suduwol. But of course, you, the students of GARAWOL, you would love to stay here until grade 12, isn't it? It's not for me to decide if that is possible, but I know if the enrollment of the upper basic school is good, there's a good chance that the government can consider upgrading the school to senior secondary school. So work on your enrollment, because then you can stay at home and still go up to senior secondary school. And for the ex-pupils, and for the ex-pupils, I don't know if you are aware of our scholarship fund, but please share that information in your group, because students who graduated from rural secondary schools, we also provide scholarships for them to continue to go to college or to go to university. So share that information in the group so that more students of GARAWOL will end up in university and be able to support your families back in GARAWOL. GARAWOL is a very big town. You should be able to provide all the teachers for this school from GARAWOL itself. So the Basse College is there, it's not far. You can, if you finish grade 12, you can become a teacher. You can study in the college in Basse and become a teacher in your own village and support your own younger siblings to improve their education. I can see that you're in for that. So make sure, promote, the ex-pupils also, promote all your younger siblings to ensure that they don't drop out of school early, that they stay until grade 12 and continue with all our support. I want to thank all of you for this beautiful meeting, and it's already late. I just want to say thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam, for the wonderful words. We are not very grateful. Thank you. This is what we are. GARAWOL try to make sure that the tension continue their education until the last stage, which is university. That's what we are looking for. So now we call on the head boy to come and give us a vote of thanks to this day. The head boy. Thank you. You can hold it.
You can help me with it. Mr. Light, I need light. Let me use light.
Help me with light. No.
Let me just read that.
Yeah, start.
Loud,
huh?
A warm and grateful evening to our most valued honorable chief guest, Madam Sonko, and delegation from MRC Holland, representative from MOPSI, Director of Region 6, or representatives, cluster monitors, management committee, worldly teachers, parents, my dearest friends, students, and everyone gathered here. It is my singular privilege and profound humility to give a vote of thanks speech and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really hard to make this inauguration, this celebration happen. I, Usman Sise, on behalf of GARAWOL Basic Circle School and the entire student fraternity of this beloved school, first of all, extend my
No, not me.
extend my
Extend my
sincere thanks to the Almighty Allah for making this today's inauguration celebration day a resounding success. With this grace and benediction, we are able to make this event what it is. On behalf of my school, I extend a really hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest, Madam Sonko, and delegation from MRC Holland, who spared time from their busiest schedule to grace this occasion. This evening, we had the opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this is surely going to encourage us in our future at the Avos. My gratitude to all the speakers from gracing this occasion and sharing their opinions. A special mention to our respected principal, Mr. Bakari Mane, for being the catalyst, stimulated us to do our best and standing as a pillar stand. With a deep sense of appreciation, we thank our loving teachers for their entire effort. I am short of words for the improvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zone. Our sincere gratitude goes to all parents for rock solid support and encouragement. Thank you so much for attending this event. An event like this cannot be happen overnight. It requires planning and commitment. We have been fortunate enough to be back by a team of very proactive and dedicated SMC led by able chairman, Mr. Kismasisi, from our heart. We thank you so much for being there always. I would also like to thank Mothers Club for both financial and moral support. They mobilize parents to contribute monetarily to the success of this event. Your effort cannot go unnoticed. By extension, we thank Jigo Construction Company, from their proprietor to all employees, who not only constructed this magnificent structure, but also donated some money for the success of this inauguration. Not forgetting our supportive and reliable experience body that really stood by us and gave physical and moral support to the administration on beautification of the school campus. We definitely appreciate your efforts. Finally, I seize this opportunity to thank MRC Holland because they are the reason we are all gathered here in this evening. MRC Holland continues to be school and our scholarship to Gambians from Banjul to Koina. All this is GR toward providing quality education to the doorstep of all and sundry. MRC Holland is indeed the game changer. In conclusion, our sincere gratitude goes to all the people who worked really hard behind the scenes to make this event happen. Last but not the least, a big thank you to each one of you who made this inauguration celebration day a success. In this success, deserve to be celebrated. Thank you for your kind attention. May Allah bless you all.
Thank you, our able head boy, for the wonderful words of thank. Yes. From there, we are going to have the national anthem, so that. Yes. From there, Yes. From there, we be seated, please. Don't go home. We have a lot to do today. The entertainment team is around. Before we conclude, we will ask the DJ to give us the national anthem. Can we all rise to sing the national anthem before we allow the guest of honor to depart, please? Can we all arise? Can we all rise? Can we all rise, please? DJ, are you set? Yes, we are coming to sing the national anthem. From there, we allow the guest of honor to leave, and from there we are going to stay and enjoy ourselves with some entertainment. The drama team is here, and the DJ is also willing to help us. Are you set? Out of the count of 2, 1, 2. For the Gambia. We have to go with the music, please. Good. I will allow the band to move. After the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Have been rising again to allow the honorable guests to leave. We say back home. We are saying thank you for the guests today. Please, can we go back, please? Can we go back, please?